Searching for places of interest by voice allows you to locate a destination while keeping your eyes on the road and your hands on the steering wheel. Some navigation tasks, like searching for POIs, are too complex to be handled by just a single voice command. So, it's best to break up your POI search request. First, ask for POIs, then say the category of interest. For example, you can say, "Find a POI." The system will ask if you want a POI for a nearby location or if you want to change locations. Then it will ask for a category. Begin by pressing the Push to Talk button and wait for the beep.
I want to find a POI.
Wait for the Cadillac queue's response, then say the category.
Banks.
When you respond with a category such as banks, restaurants, gas stations, or hotels, the touchscreen displays a list of options. As a general guideline, your navigation system recognizes major business names and chains with multiple locations, but not all names of businesses are available for voice entry. Some lesser-known businesses may need to be located by category, such as fast food, hotels, or banks.